In this particular case, let's start with another dichloride though, and let's make it this one. So this would be the meta-dichlorobenzene, and say we treat this under the same conditions as before. Potassium amide, liquid ammonia. How many different nucleophilic aromatic substitution products would you expect? Well, again, we need to identify where we could remove a proton in order to make benzene, because again, these are classic conditions for the elimination then addition mechanism. So we could remove a hydrogen from there, but now there's another hydrogen that we could remove. Again, whether we remove this one or this one, we get the same intermediate, but there are two possibilities. So along the red path, the benzene we would make would look like this. There it is. And then along the green path, the benzene we would generate would have its triple bond, say here. So those are two possible benzene intermediates. And then we also have to consider that the nucleophile could add there, or it could potentially add there. And in this case, it could add there, or it could add there. So see if you can write those different products. Be on the lookout for the fact that some of them may be redundant. All right, so we want the total number of unique products that could form upon nucleophilic aromatic substitution of this meta-dichlorobenzene by the elimination then addition mechanism. All right, so up here, we could end up with the NH2 group ortho to the chlorine, or we could end up with the NH2 group meta to the chlorine, whereas down here, we could end up with the NH2 group para to the chlorine. That would be addition at that carbon. Or if we add to the other end of the green benzene, we would end up with this. So this one is the same as that one, but this is unique and this is unique. So in this particular case, we could end up with orthochloroaniline, parachloroaniline, or metachloroaniline. So in principle, all those different structural isomers or regioisomers would be possible. We had to consider both the possible benzynes that could form, so these would be regioisomeric benzynes, and then the fact that at least in principle, the nucleophile can add to either end of the benzene triple bond.